Hello, here we're going to take a look at quotient to a power rule. So if we have a fraction of a divided by b raised to the power of n, the simplified version will be a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. Here we have to simplify a fraction of x to the 5 divided by 4 raised to the third power. This can be done by rewriting this parenthesis 3 times, because that's what power of 3 means, and have x to the 5 out of 4 copied 3 times. This will give us 4 times 4 times 4 in denominator, and x to the 5 times x to the 5 times x to the 5 in numerator, which will give us x to the 5 plus 5 plus 5 in numerator out of 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 in denominator. So this will be x to the 15 out of 64. A much faster way of getting this answer is to distribute this exponent into the parentheses, and we will get x to the 5 times 3 out of 4 to the third. This becomes x to the 5 times 3 is 15 out of 4 to the third is 64. And this is a much faster way of getting our solution. Here we have to simplify 2x to the third out of y to the negative 4 raised to the 5th power. So let's use the power rule and distribute this exponent into the parentheses. And we get 2 to the power of 5 x to the third times 5 out of y to the negative 4 times 5. This becomes 2 to the 5 is equal to 32. X to the 3 times 5 is 15 out of y to the negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. This negative exponent will become positive if we move it into the numerator. So we get 32 x to the 15 y to the positive 20, and there is only one left in denominator. So 32x to the 15 y to the 20 is our solution. Here we have to simplify x to the second out of y to the third raised to the negative 4th power. Since we are going to be distributing negative power, let's put it inside of the parentheses so that we don't confuse multiplication with subtraction. So this will become x to the 2 times negative 4 out of y to the 3 times negative 4. So we get x to the 2 times negative 4, we have negative 8, out of y to the 3 times negative 4, we have negative 12. The power of negative 8 will become positive in denominator, and y to the negative 12, the negative 12 power will become positive in numerator. So we get y to the 12 out of x to the 8 as our solution. That's all.